Happy birthday iJustine. This is Anfas. This is a video for you for your birthday, and there is a small cake for you for this birthday. The other guys, if you don't know who is iJustine, she is a YouTuber since 2006. She puts videos about technology, lifestyle, and some cooking and some music. Let's go to her intro that was uploaded a few years back, and we'll come back after that intro. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Justine. Welcome to my channel. I make all kinds of videos. Anything from music video parodies, videos about Apple and technology, video games, an occasional beauty and style video. It smells like Hawaii. Who's going to the club? I'm going to the club. And many more. Just click the link below to watch all of the things.
That was a video of iJustine's intro that was uploaded few years back, and we will take the cake for her birthday, and it's a small cake for iJustine. We will cut it and we'll celebrate her birthday. Let's take the cake. And guys, this is the cake. This is a strawberry flavor because she likes pink color. And we'll cut the cake, and I will taste the cake instead of her because she is in Pennsylvania, USA. It's very tasty. And guys, now I will tell some information about iJustine. She is a YouTuber since 2006, and she put videos about tech videos, and mostly she is a fan of Apple's iPhones, Mac, iMacs, Mac Pros. I will put her YouTube channel's link in the below description, and I will put in the card here also. And as well as technology, she put videos about lifestyle and music and other vlog with her sister. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. Happy birthday to iJustine. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.